Shalin, I read this and I think about it. Oh, you are talking about Hindi imposition. Very good. It was part of your ideology. You are saying no Hindi, you are saying no to impositions. But what about this? What about women being attacked every day? Is it part of your ideology? What about, every day there are caste wars, the intermediary caste, they attack. Look at this boy. I mean, you and I discussed about how siblings were attacked with a sickle. I mean, they wearing caste bands around their wrists. Shalin.
I'm tired, actually.
So am I.
Frustrated.
Yeah.
I'm very angry. To be honest, the amount of rage I hold right now in my heart is too much, because end of the day, this month, at least in this 1 month, there has been around, 3 Dalit boys who were studying, were hacked, and 2 of them died, and this person, actually, this guy is in a critical condition till now at the hospital, and to see his pictures without his fingers, like he lost around 5-6 fingers, and 4 fingers are stitched back, and one of the fingers is missing, so he will not have his left index finger. And then the boy was studying very well. He was going to his 11th standard examination in a bus. He was made to get down. He was called, the castlers were used, and he was the same pattern.
God.
The same pattern. So I immediately called people in, Sri Vaikuntham. A lot of activists are there, so I immediately called them and I asked them why. Because I could connect this with Kabaddi tournaments, because I have met fathers who have cried to me, talk about how their sons were killed from the same area. Tenkasi, Tirunelveli and Thoothukudi are known for these Kabaddi tournaments, and caste has been a very big major hindrance to peace there, and children have been murdered for even touching someone in a Kabaddi tournament. A Dalit boy was killed. So when I asked them, they said this was over Kabaddi. They confirmed on that. Or as police say, this could also be for, honor killing, which also is not rare. As you know, Tamil Nadu, honor killing happens very easily in Tamil Nadu. I think in India-wise, we rank number 1 or 2 in honor killing. So, and then I inquired, like, what is happening, and
all right, okay.
They say after 90s, in the 90s, Dalits were killed a lot in these 3 districts.
Yeah, but Shalin, sorry to interrupt you, but I want to ask you, the VCK, Vidudalai Chidathai Katchi, which is held by Tol Thirumavallavan, they are in alliance with the DMK. They are the flag bearers of the Dalits and the disempowered. What are they doing then, Shalin?
They're not doing anything. That's what they're saying. The chief founder of VCK, Thirumavallavan, just issues press note, or he just goes ahead and puts a tweet, and he condemns the police. Fortunately, yesterday he didn't condemn the police. He asked the government to take action, which is very rare. But the VCK, what you can see is grassroots workers living in that area helping the boy. But the VCK leaders are still very much, in allegiance of DMK. And, why do you have an alliance? Why do you have a electoral alliance? To demand certain things from your party, to demand DMK to start acting.
But nothing is happening.